Peace, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Camelia and I create holistic lifestyle content. And y'all, I just want to let y'all know I am super excited to start vlogging. I want to start vlogging and we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So today I have to do just a few things. We've already went to the store. I went to the store to try to find a tripod, but they didn't have little hand tripods that I was looking for. But I have like a tripod, but I wanted like a small one, and the small one I have is broken. So yeah, but they didn't have any. So we came back home and it actually started raining as we were pulling up. It had been lightning like the whole time that we were in the car, lightning and some thunder, but it started to like pour down when we got home. We pulled up to the gate to come inside the our apartments. But now I'm just going to clean up because it looked crazy in here. I'm just saying. I may not look that crazy to y'all, but it looked a little crazy. Then I got like packages I need to open right here on the floor. So yeah, I'm gonna tidy up and yeah, open some packages. Maybe if my son stays asleep, we'll open some packages together. If not, then yeah, we'll get back to that. So stay tuned though. Alright y'all, so I've tidied up just a little bit. Still gotta tidy up the kitchen and my room after my son wakes up. But for now, we're gonna open some of these packages. So some of these packages I've had for a couple months, not gonna lie. But that's okay, we finally getting around to it. So I'm gonna open this one first. So I get packages, like a lot of like PR packages from different brands so that I can try their products and things like that. And some of the brands I actually reach out to them because I want to try their products, especially if it's like a product that that I know that I'll incorporate into my daily lifestyle. I'm like, yep, let me send them an email. Can I try your product? But so this right here is an antimicrobial sonic cleansing system facial skincare device. I don't know if y'all can see that. So yeah, there it is. Now y'all can see it. So it's a cleansing brush. It rotates and spins and everything. I have like a brush that I use for my face, for my skincare routine now, but it's not like electric. It doesn't rotate and all that. It's just a regular little brush with the same little face head on it, and I just have to use it like that. So I have one of those, but this is like an upgrade. I just tell you what pieces it has. It's a 3-speed rechargeable cleansing tool. It has a antimicrobial brush head, a serum infusion head, a shower caddy, and a wireless charging cradle. I'm excited about this. It can connect to an app. I guess their Spa Sciences app. And yeah, they give you like helpful tips and things like that on there. I'm excited about this because I've been trying to up my skincare routine game. I'm trying because it's been simple for a very long time, and it has worked also for me though for a very long time. For the longest, I've literally just washed my face with only water and use almond oil, apricot oil, shea butter, coconut oil to moisturize my face, and that's what I've done for like the longest, and it's been working. It's been working. And
you know, they say like don't try to fix what's not broken, but I'm trying to up it even further because yeah, I want my skin to be like flawless, like all the time, 24/7.
yeah, It says skincare absorbs better. Sonic for 7 times better cleansing. Skin feels softer. Pores look smaller. 100% waterproof for shower and bath. Antimicrobial bristles to guard against stain and odor causing bacteria. USB rechargeable and travel friendly. So let's open it. They also sent me their skincare products, which I'll try them, but more than likely, well, I'm not going to speak too soon, actually, because I'm reading the ingredients. Okay, so they do have some good stuff in here. So yeah, I'll try their products. This is their cleansing oil for all skin types. There we go. For all skin types. And then their cleanser as well for all skin types also. So this device is actually called Nova. I should say that. It's so cute. Look at it. It's super cute. Nova. I'm excited to try this. Definitely excited to try this. How do I get this out of here? Okay. I don't know. I don't be knowing how none of this stuff works. Okay, there you go. So, of course, it's not going to turn on now, but these are the little bristles. Antimicrobial bristles. It's super cute. I like it. Comes with a little top to put on it. Like that. So, that's that. And I guess this is a little shower thing. You put it in your shower and then it just sits in there in the shower. Maybe it go like that. I don't know how to go, but that's that. Okay, so next up, oh, I'm sorry. Did I say who this is from? So the name of this company is Spa Sciences. They have a bunch of other devices and things like that that can help with skincare. You can add to your skincare routine, so make sure y'all check them out. Spa Sciences right there. Next up, they've sent me some products before. This stuff is from Elixir Herb Shop. And they're actually a black-owned company out in Houston, I believe he said. Yeah, out in Houston. And it's a family-owned business also. They're doing a lot of great things. They're working on the farm. They're doing a lot of great things, y'all. But they focus on herbal products. So this is their Food for Immunity herbal blend. Let's see what it has in it. It has elderberry, cat's claw, cleavers, ashwagandha, and pau d'arco. So great herbs in here for sure. Then we got Food for Lymph. Food for Lymph has cleaver, red clover, mullein, nettle, and yarrow. Good stuff. And then we got Food for the Blood. And this one has nettle, hawthorn, burdock, alfalfa, and motherwort. So I'll be trying those eventually. Not right at this moment. I gotta plan for that. And I think they sent me like some hair stuff, skincare stuff. Okay, let's see another toothpaste. So I actually already have this toothpaste, and this is the toothpaste that I use every day. Right here. This is the coconut mint. Yep, coconut mint toothpaste. It has some really good stuff in it also. And it makes my teeth look white, like whiter, right away. Like I kid you not, right away. The first time I used it, I was so excited. If you're not following me on Instagram, I actually post it on there. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. It's my name, @CameliaPlays. Yeah, I was so excited. So this is their natural hair grease. Natural hair grease. It's mango and shea butter. Mango and shea butter. Let's see. The smell is not that pleasing. Oh, that's why it has neem in it. Okay, so with organic extracts from neem and coconut. But yeah, the smell is not that pleasing, honestly. I would have liked to smell more of the mango, but that's okay. We're still gonna try that. It's for hair. That should be fun to try. Close the door. You finna go back out? Watch out. Don't knock it over. Next up, we have the Sacred Scalp Serum Healing Oil Solution. And my son, so yeah. Avocado oil, flaxseed oil, hemp seed oil, and grapeseed oil, and it says and more. Not sure what that is, but I trust them. Mama baby, mama baby, mama baby. Okay, y'all. So up next, let's see if I can open this. It's currently like raining, pouring down outside. We let it fly in. Next up, we've got some indoor potting mix by Rosy Soil. This is from Rosy Soil. I wanted to try this company, their potting mix, so I actually reached out to them. It says, we craft our soil with the specific needs of indoor plants in mind. Every blend contains sustainable ingredients that optimize drainage, delivers nutrients, and supports a diverse community of beneficial fungi and microbes. It's living soil in a bag, the perfect way to give your plants the TLC they need to thrive. This Rosy Soil indoor potting soil can actually be refilled. It's very sustainable, so when you're finished with the bag, you can send it back to the company and they'll refill it for you. So very, very, very sustainable. I love it. I love it. I love it, and I can't wait to try it with my indoor plants. This is the size of the bag. It's like their smaller bag, but it'll get the job done. Next up, I'm not gonna pick it up, but is this Vita Coco coconut water. They actually sent me 2 cases of coconut water. They sent me their coconut water with the mango, and it actually had like coconut pieces inside of the can. I didn't like that part, but that's okay. Only because I didn't know that it was there. I didn't notice until like I was making smoothies with it, and I'm like, what are these bits and pieces in my smoothie? I don't know what this is. And I discovered, I tested it, and it was like coconut pieces from the coconut with mango. But this one here, I actually haven't opened. Or I just opened it. But this is just a plain coconut water. This is the one that I use normally with my smoothies. And the one that I normally drink. Also, I drink this one. And also I drink, what is it? Harmless Harvest as well. This one is a little bit cheaper than Harmless Harvest. Harmless Harvest is also really good as well. But yeah, this is it, Vita Coco. This is one of my favorite ones. So try this one too if you haven't already. I already know that's good because, like I said, that's one that I already buy like all the time myself. So yeah, thank you, Vita Coco. Next up, I think this one is another beverage actually. And this company, they reached out to me and wanted me to try their beverage. Let's see if I can open it. Looking at the camera, baby. There we go. You can do anything you put your mind to. Yeah, look at my baby. This company is called Tranquini. Tranquini. They sell wellness drinks with adaptogenic herbs. Here it is. This is a 6-pack, and this one is sparkling hibiscus. I love the packaging of this. That's really pretty. Then we have sparkling mixed berries. And I love this orange color. Ginger lemongrass. Very, very nice looking packaging. So I'm going to try one. It says 0 sugar, naturally flavored and enhanced. Let's check the ingredients though. Carbonated beverage with herb extracts, green tea, chamomile, lemon balm, just 1 calorie, 0 sugar, no preservatives, no artificial colors. Okay. Good deal. So I'm just gonna taste a sip of one of them because my battery is actually about to die. So let's just taste the sip. Smells good. I think it would definitely taste really good with ice. I'll let you. So it puts me in the mind of literally like sparkling water with flavor added. That's just what it reminds me of. It's not like a soda or anything. It doesn't have like that sugary taste because again, it's 0 sugar. Is it 0 sugar or 0? Let's see. Yeah, 0 sugar. So there's that. Put that over there for me. So that's all I have to unbox at this time. I've actually I just unboxed some other things earlier this week, so missed that one, but that's all at this time. I'm about to spend time with my babies. My son, he likes Blue's Clues. He gets excited every time he sees Blue's Clues. So we found this. Show them Blue's Clues. Dasa found this. The camera right here. Dasa found this.
Bear.
Yeah. And when she showed it to him, he just started getting excited, like kicking and laughing and all that. So I went ahead and got it for him. But here you go.
Thank you.
But yeah, we're about to watch movies. And I really wanted to like make a dessert or something, but I don't have ingredients to make a dessert really. Where I may be able to get creative. But yeah, we're about to do that. It's raining outside, so we're just about to enjoy this rain and watch movies and just chill out and relax for the rest of the evening. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and stay tuned for more. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Peace, y'all.